They were right.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, wonder but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with the certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, put up 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Biryani, here is bendi, lady fingers, and here is tikka masala, I think chicken, here is butter chicken, here is samosa, here is dahi balle, right? Rasmalai, gulab jamun, rasgola, here is burfi.
Sweet apple?
Yes, sweet apple.
Milk cake? Chum chum? Coconut burfi?
Coconut burfi.
Pink coconut laddu? White coconut laddu? Chocolate burfi?
Chocolate burfi.
Almond burfi? Kaju burfi? And plain burfi.
Punjab Sweet House, I think.
Hi?
From Punjab Sweet House.
Punjab, no.
यहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल भी खाते हैं लोग, देखें ना, मगरमच्छ स्वीट प्रमोशन. They are selling ostrich, barbecue deer also, sheep, cow, and chili. 80 baht. Fair. Crab. Roll. Jinga roll. This side have crab also, you can see here. Tom yum pong. Sushi. Pad Thai here. Yeah. Look like it's mando.
มาเลยเป็นไหมคะโอเค You want spicy or sweet or sour?
halal คนอิสลามขายครับเป็นได้ครับเป็นฮาลาลครับ coconut 10 out papaya salad. They are making papaya salad. Open it. Chicken. They make like so we have to come here. This side is also Indian. And humpak pie. Chao.
One original roti.
Mango shake. All kind of shakes. Ice cream. Like mango. Assalamu alaikum. It's halal. Have everything. Seafood have, khamok have, yellow rice have. What you want have.